Janai. Back now with Gisele on police body camera during a police traffic stop. It happened after she said she was being chased by paparazzi. Victor OQUENDO join US from Miami with details. Reporter. Good morning, Janai. This happened just north of Miami beach town of Surfside. Gisele saying she just wants to live her life, but everywhere she goes these guys follow. Oh, why are you crying? I have nowhere to go. Reporter. This morning, police body camera footage showing supermodel Gisele Bundchen pulled over at a police stop. Watch as the officer approaches her gray Mercedes. I'll give you a courtesy today. Thank you. I'm trying to save my life. There's nothing I can do about that. Reporter. Police pulling her over north of Miami Beach. She is then seen breaking down in tears. Nothing protects me. It's like I can't do nothing. I just want to live my life. I can't prevent them from doing their job, which is to take pictures. Reporter. Bundchen owns 2 homes in the community. Tom Brady also living in the area. Florida authorities opting not to ticket Bundchen. Superstars and paparazzi have a long history. Some believe the rise of social media. The landscape is evolving. We are seeing more aggressive instances of paparazzi who are pursuing celebrities down the street. It's increasingly becoming competitive, particularly where we have so much access to social media for paparazzi to break through and have something to sell. Reporter. And no word on why she was initially pulled over. We have reached out to her representative, but so far she's not commenting. Guys? Hard not to be emphatic when you see her breaking down there. Victor. Thank you.